Hey everyone, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and in this video I'll be showing you Alert Center on the Elevate Staff app.
All right, so we're in the Elevate Staff app and we can see now that Alerts is now available in the app. And so we see a new Alerts tab indicated right here on the bottom. You are able to see that any new alerts will have the white bubble with the number. So here I have one new alert. So if I go ahead and tap on that, I'm able to see all my list of new alerts. So, first thing is first, with each alert, you're able to see the information such as the title, description, client name, time, date, etc. All your alerts that you will be receiving are the same in the staff back office. And so, if you would like a list of what those are, check out our knowledge base and know that in future releases there will be newly added alerts. Now, we can see here I do have an eager client who's wanting to request an appointment. So, I can see here that the alerts that I have already viewed do not have a blue dot beside it, but considering that this one over here on the top is the newly one that I have received, it does have a blue dot indicated. And so once I go ahead and view it, the blue dot will eventually appear. It's also important to note that alerts within the Elevate Staff app is meant to quickly inform you and your staff members. So it means that you will only be able to have a view of the alerts, unlike and compared to the staff back office that you are able to click on an alert and it'll bring you to the area in the software to have further information. So just remember Elevate Staff app, Alert Center, just a quick view, a quick glimpse, and if you want further information, you can go into the staff back office. Now, speaking of the staff back office, if you would like to configure your settings with Alert Center, you can go into the staff back office, select Setup, Alerts, and you can make those changes and have those settings configured there. And now with Alert Center available in the Elevate Staff app, those settings that you do configure will now impact both the staff back office and the Elevate Staff app. And that is everything. Alert Center available in the Elevate Staff app. I hope you enjoy all that it's able to give to you. And I'll see you in the next video.